So let us start with the next topic called as arrays and strings, which contains in unit 3. So we will see the types of array first. Array comprises of two types. One is single dimensional or one dimensional array, and we will say it as multi-dimensional array. Two dimensional is also there and multi-dimensional. So let me have an example of one dimensional. We already know what we have discussed so far is called as one dimensional array, which will have only one subscript as an array size. So normal index value will be given for that array size as well. And initialization. So once an array has been declared, its elements must be initialized immediately. So otherwise it will contain a garbage value. So which can be happen in two stages. One is at compile time and at runtime. But if it is in a compile time, the syntax is once it is declared, immediately the value can be initialized in a single line. So this is the example for integer, float and character they have given. And runtime means explicitly during runtime I need to dynamically I can give the value. So I have started a looping here from 0 to 100, and I'm just going to check if I is less than 50 or not. If it is less than 50, I'm just going to have a sum of I value as 0, else the sum of I value is 1. So this is called as the example for runtime initialization. So next, in the next video we will see about this one, multi-dimensional two-dimensional array. So here is a topic called as two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array or situation where we can use when we need to use a table of values, which has to be need to be stored in an array. So which is the best example is if I am going to do a matrix problem, matrix addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, this can be useful. So what will be the subscript here? You will have a return type, array name, row size and column size. So example, int a of 3 cross 3, 3 into 3 means 3 cross 3, so 9 values will be present. So the first thing is row index, and the top one is left one is row index and the top one is column index. Row index, row 0th row is horizontal, first row is horizontal and second row. Similarly, 0th column is vertical, first column is vertical and second column is also vertical. So how I can initialize the value? So first three values are first row, second three values are second row, third row values are 3, 6 and 4, which means that a of I, we can mean it as I and j. A of 0 and 0 is 8, a of 0 1 is 6, a of 0 2 is 5. Similarly, a of 1 0 is 2, a of 1 1 is 1, a of 1 2 is 9, and similarly a of 2 0 is 3, a of 2 1 is 6, and a of 2 2 is 4. So here is the 2D array declaration. I'm just going to help you on how to display a two-dimensional array. As usual, we can read I and j with the help of the nested for loop. The first for loop is meant for row and the second for loop is meant for column. And next address of display. I'm just going to read those elements from the ith row and jth column. And similarly, for displaying purpose, I'm just printing. So we can print with the help of ij, and with the help of the increment and decrement, I can print each and every value. And the next is multidimensional. Here is the example for multidimensional array. Row index and column index will be there. Two matrices I'm going to print here. Let us see an example for how to add two matrices, A matrix and B matrix. First, we need to read A and B with the help of nested for loops, and then I'm just going to calculate C of ij is equal to A of ij plus B of ij, so that the elements of first matrix will be added with the elements of the second matrix, and at last we will get the four values of 2 cross 2 matrix here. So thank you. This is the example for two-dimensional array.